Hello learners and welcome to a new video in the SQL interview preparatory course by Day5. Today we will solve another SQL question, and in this session we will be covering joins with group by. So without wasting any time, let's move to the question. The question is, write an SQL query to find users with the highest total transaction amount in each month. The result should include the month, username, and the total transaction amount. The question is very simple. We have to print the total sum of amounts spent by each customer in each month. Before solving the question, let's see the steps involved in solving this particular question. So the first step will be print both the tables, and to print the tables, you all know the command is select asterisk from the table name, and in this way we have the tables. Now you can see that the tables are in front of us. Now the step 2 will be joining both the tables, and to join the tables we need to find the common column in each table, and in this case the common column is user ID. So on the basis of user ID we will join both the tables. The step 3 will be extracting the month name, and to extract the month name we will use the month name function in SQL. We will use month name function on transaction date column, and in this way we got the month name. Step 4 will be group by and get the results. After joining both the tables, we will group the data based on month, name, user ID, username. Now let's move to the SQL workbench for the practical solution of this question. Now, as we are in our MySQL workbench, let's write the query. So our query would be like select everything from customers as C, join this table with transactions table and give a alias as T on the basis of common column, and the common column is user ID is equals to T dot user ID. Now we will join these tables. Now you can see the tables are successfully joined. Now we will remove asterisk and we will print the name, the user ID, and we will extract the month name. And to extract the month name we will use month name function, and on the transaction date, and will give the path for the name and user ID. The path for the name is customer table and for the user ID is customer table. Now let's run the query. Now you can see you got the name, user ID and the month name. After that we will use the group by clause. We will group the data. We will group the data on the basis of these above columns. And also the sum of the amount. Now let's run the query. Wonderful. Now you can see you can get the expected, you got the expected result. Now you can see you got the expected result, which is the name, user ID, the total amount and the month name. You also can give the alias as month name and the total amount. Thank you so much, and stay connected with DataSense for more amazing content on data, and do subscribe the channel.